Good day, everybody. This is Marius Landman from the website mariuslandman.com, and I'm going to go through Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin Cash and give you an idea, just a little idea of what potentially could happen in Bitcoin. Let's have a look here at Bitcoin, and I'm going to show you how we do our analysis and why our people are making big gains. Now, right here at this bottom, when Bitcoin came right down to this bottom here on 15 December 2018, we mentioned to our members all across the world, and we said that risk-adverse investors can now get back into the market. After this big drop that we had here, we got back in the market, and guess what? We rode the wave upwards to double A. We knew that we are going to drop into double B, and then we spiked upwards here into this level, and we went straight into this point here where you can see on your screen, which is double C. We dropped into double D, we went into double A, and we called that high. We told our subscribers that that is potentially going to be a high point. And Bitcoin came right down to this bottom here. You can see there's a tick mark there. And on the last week's webinar and the week prior, we mentioned to our subscribers and said that the market is going to go up, it's going to drop into one final low, and it won't go necessarily lower at that point. And we've had a pattern drawn up, which I've just taken out here, showing and indicating what is Bitcoin going to do next. Now, it's very difficult to figure that out, because is the market going to go upwards here? Is it going to go to that point there? Is it going to go there? Is it going to go sideways? Is it going to go into Y, then go sideways, then into double, and then drop? Guys, our members have got this info. We are pretty accurate with our data. I'm going to leave it there. Now let's go to Litecoin. Litecoin is one of the coins that we have mentioned. It's going to give us a heartbeat. I'm going to give a little bit of information away here. See this heartbeat that we have here, that heartbeat? We are looking for a heartbeat somewhere around this point. What do I mean with a heartbeat? A heartbeat is something like this, where the indicator goes down, it spikes up, it comes down again, similar to that you would see in a hospital, like a move. And then at this point here, it's going to do something. If this information, guys, is important to you, you need to get into our membership. And I'm going to quickly explain this to you. Now remember, Litecoin can only go three ways. And let me put that in for you. And if you want to know what it's going to do, it can either go up, that's one option. The second option is it could go sideways for a while here. And let me just put that arrow in there. It could go sideways. The third option is it can drop. Now, be very, very careful with cryptocurrencies, guys. If you want to know what Litecoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, as well as Ethereum is going to do, what you need to do is to go to my website here. This website here on the top, mariuslandman.com. You can see here that people are extremely happy. We've got about 847 shares here. And if you go here to testimonies here and you click on testimonies, let me just click on that and I'll show you the testimonies that we are getting, guys. It's unbelievable. We've got hundreds and hundreds of testimonies. Now, if you go down here right to the bottom of this page here, you can see here the testimonies are just lining up like crazy. Let's go back to, let's just choose any one, 9, and you can go through that and have a look at these crazy testimonies. I'm so impressed with the quality and detail of the Bitcoin and Litecoin reports. Your daily updates are a blessing. I subscribed last week and read your Litecoin report. I bought Litecoin and within one day I was up 47%. Well, I don't believe that's one day, maybe in a few days. You recommended I sell, and that's what I did. You made me over 6,000 in profit. Now, guys, I don't believe that's one day. It's probably just a mistake. But anyway, you can go here. Excellent webinars, wonderful information. Excellent webinars, wonderful information. Your Litecoin call was amazing, spot on analysis. And guys, you can go through that. And let's go to page number 2 and see what is there. And Here's a nice big one here. Great webinars. Thank you. Marius, I just want to write to you and your team a note of thanks. I've been in various trade groups through the years, and the pattern seems to be the same each time. Anyway, guys, you guys can go through that. Great webinars. Thank you. Great webinar. Bitcoin is hitting your target. Great weekly webinars. Best thing. Look, guys, the testimonies are lining up. What you need to do, on the heading, you'll see home, testimonies, top 40 crypto, Telegram. Go here to get membership. And if you click on the get membership here, there are only 2 memberships. You get your basic key membership and your premium membership. The premium membership includes live webinars and Zoom meetings every single week. Guys, it's a low cost of $54. I recommend that you at least take the 3-month subscription, get into it. If we can't make you that money back, you contact me and I will give you your $155 back. I guarantee you, you will make money if you take the 3-month or the 12-month subscription, guys. Our calls are amazing. And what's coming next? Let's go to Ethereum. What is Ethereum going to do? Guys, one of these coins are going to go up with a staggering percentage. You need to know this information. And if you look at this chart here with Ethereum, is Ethereum going to spike and go upwards? We know, our members know, but most analysts in the world will have it wrong. Let me explain to you why our data is so sought after. We work with algorithm analysis. We barely do technical indicators. We barely do Fibonacci analysis. Fibonacci does not work perfectly in cryptos, although you can use it to a certain extent. But we use algorithm analysis. This one here is called the Python y-axis. This one here, that orange line, is called the 3B algorithm mathematical equation. Then we've got this green line here, which is this one here, which is the MS52. If you want to know about these technical indicators, it solves the entire problem. It takes the guesswork out of cryptos, guys, to a certain extent. Now remember this, we won't be 100% all the time. Nobody can do it. We will be wrong, but we have made so much money this year, guys. So much money. And of the thousands and thousands of members that we have worldwide, thousands of people are making insane gains. Guys, as I said, you can get your membership here, join thousands of members worldwide. There's your basic membership for $45. We recommend that you get on premium membership. Now, just for those members that are looking at the pricing here, if you are on a certain pricing at the moment, your pricing will stay the same. We're not going to increase your pricing. We love you. As long as you're active and you have that pricing model, it's going to stay the same. You can also pay here in cryptocurrencies. Now, let's go back to Bitcoin Cash here, guys. The other indicators that we look at, sorry, I was at Ethereum. Let's quickly have a look here. This pink line here is what we call the 2B algorithm mathematical equation. And then we've got this one here, which is the 24B axis. Now this Python y-axis, if you want to know what's going to happen in XRP, Digibyte, Neo, EOS, Theta, and a whole bunch of other coins, get your membership. That's all I'm going to say. You will make that money back so quick that you won't believe. This is Marius Landman. Once you subscribed, there's an email address there on our website. You can literally go to our website here. See here on the bottom, there's an email there on the right side there, which is you simply click that, send me a message. We're more than happy to say thank you. We're more than happy to chat with you, talk with you, and help you wherever we can. More important, guys, one of the most amazing things here, when you get in, you will see that you click on my account there, and you'll have private key membership. You'll have webinar access, Telegram blog updates. The blog updates, I don't want to click on that now because I don't want to give our information away, guys. But I post almost daily or twice or every second day. I post blog updates there, my team and myself. And but what I want to show you is this webinar access here. If you click on the webinar access, this is what you need to have. Our next call here is going to be this Thursday. Okay, here is the link on the bottom there, and you'll see the webinar recordings in this block area. The last one here was on 1 August. There we go, 1 August 2019.